Level Committee, NEC, traditional rulers, community and opinion leaders here present, and on behalf of the entire good people of Ilaje Nation in the present Ilaje local government area of Ondo State. We are quite appreciative of the good intention of the federal government of Nigeria under the able leadership of His Excellency, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCON, and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces to create new state and local government area with the hope that the exercise will bring the government closer to the people. This briefing is predicated upon the rumors now making the rounds of an intent to include Ilaje land or part of Ilaje local government area in the proposed Ijebu state if and when created. Going into the short historical excursion, we record that on 1st of January 1914, the northern and southern Nigeria were amalgamated into the colony and protectorate of Nigeria by Sir Frederick Otto Lugard, later known as Lord Lugard. This major political development was followed by a complete rearrangement and restructuring of the administrative setup, which led to the creation of the southern provinces, namely Abeokuta, Benin, Calabar, Ibadan, Oyo, Ondo, and Wari. It is pertinent to state here that Ondo province came into being through government notice number 99, published in Gazette number 67, volume 2 of 23rd of December, 1915. The Ondo province emerged from the merging of the then Ekiti and Ondo divisions. Subsequently, 4 administrative divisions were created to constitute the new province. They were Ondo, Owo, Ekiti, and Okitikupa divisions. In 1968, the then Ondo province of the Western State was further divided into 9 divisions, namely Akure, Ondo, Owo, Okitikupa, Akoko, Ekiti South, Ekiti Central, Ekiti North, and Ekiti West. In February 1976, the then Ondo province was created as a state. That is the present Ondo State of Nigeria. Gentlemen of the press, it is instructive to point out that through the aforementioned government notice number 99, contained in Gazette number 67, volume 2 of 23rd of December 1915, Ijebu province, which had earlier been created in January 1915 through government notice number 11 of that year, contained in volume 2 of 21st of January 1915, was abolished and subsequently merged with Abeokuta province. Like the former Ondo State province, which was created into the present Ondo State, the Abeokuta province, made up of Egba, Ijebu, and Egbado divisions, formed the basis of creation of Ogun State in 1976. Gentlemen of the press, it is very transparent from the brief historical facts given above that Okitikupa division, and indeed any other part of old Ondo province, has no administrative and political affinity with the Ijebu to justify the alleged inclusion of Ilaje land or any part of Ilaje local government area in the proposed Ijebu state. Our association, politically and administratively, has been with the old province, with Ondo province, and the current Ondo state. Culturally, the Ilaje, Ikale, Apoi, Ondo, Idare, Owo, etc. have many things in common. We have been linked together administratively over the years. In the desire for the creation of state and local government area, we have always shared common aspirations. The desire is that all these entities should stay together in the present Ondo state. As far as we are aware, the move to include Ilaje land or any part of Ilaje local government area in the proposed Ijebu state does not enjoy the support of any section or kingdom in Ilaje land. In the current ongoing state and local government creation proposed before the National Assembly, we made bold to confirm that there was never any request to include Ilaje land in the proposed Ijebu state. If we have wanted such a demand, we could have submitted such desire to the committee on the proposal of state and local government creations, local government area creation at the National Assembly. We wish to stress that we do not have any objection to the creation of the proposed Ijebu state if approved. We, however, want to make it abundantly clear that we have not mandated any group or groups, person or persons, organization or organizations, body or bodies, etc., within or without the area to demand on our behalf to be included in the proposed Ijebu state or any other proposed state of whatever name called. We affirm that our consent was not sought on such a far-reaching political decision and arrangement. For the avoidance of doubt, we shall, under the law, resist vehemently any attempt to include Ilaje land in the proposed Ijebu state or any other proposed state of whatever name called. The Ijebu can have their state, but we do not wish to be part of it. That is all we are saying. Furthermore, we are using this medium to appeal to the federal government to ensure that Ilaje town and villages, which were merged with the present Ogun State in 1976, are returned to their kit as advised by the Ijebu panel on the creation of states and boundary adjustment in 1975. Affected villages and towns, which are mainly Ilaje before the creation of state in 1976, are Ijebu Manua, Ajegunle, Ayetumara, Igboedu, Obinenyi, Arijan, etc. Conclusion. We know that the present administration has been trying hard to better the socio-economic well-being of the people of this country, and that it is the wish of the federal government that peace should reign supreme in the country. It is for this reason that we have fervently prayed the federal government not to do anything that will adversely affect the existing interstate relationship. Specifically, we are praying that Ilaje land stroke Ilaje local government area in Ondo State should on no account be included in the proposed Ijebu state. B, we reiterate that the present Ilaje local government area should be retained intact in the present Ondo State. We use this medium to redress the injustice done to Ilaje in 1976 by returning the above-named settlement, which were formerly in Okitupa Division, to Ondo State. In the light of the foregoing, we are hereby calling on His Excellency, Honorable Lucky Orimisa Ayedatiwa, the Executive Governor of Ondo State, and as the Chief Security Officer of the state, to protect Ilaje communities in borderland with Ogun State, as they have been severe threat from some officers from Ogun State in collaboration with some unscrupulous security agencies to undermine the protection of lives and property of our people in such community. Such community include Atijere, Igboedu, Irokun, Ayetumara, Obinenyi, etc. We want to affirm our avowed commitment to the maintenance, defense, and promotion of Ilaje unity, territory, and culture as an integral part of the Federation of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and urge all persons of Ilaje origin or descent to remain vigilant and shun all form of inducement that may compromise our inherited territorial integrity, as there will be severe consequences for such unpatriotic acts. Jerusalem.